Hey everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'm making butterscotch peanut butter marshmallow squares. This is a classic treat I grew up eating, especially around the holidays. They're really fast and simple to make with no baking required. To get started, we'll be adding a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 cup of peanut butter, 2 cups of butterscotch chips, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Melt this slowly on low heat. Once it's all melted, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. We can't add the marshmallows yet because they will melt, so let the mixture sit for at least 30 minutes until it's no longer warm. While we wait for that, get your pan ready. I'm using a 9x13, but if you want taller bars, you can use a square pan. Once the mixture is cooled, add 5 cups of multicolored marshmallows and stir until every piece is coated. Add it to the pan and spread evenly while pushing down slightly. Put in the fridge for 1 hour to let it harden. Then cut in the squares and that's it. Store these in the fridge, and they also freeze very well. Be warned, these are quite sweet, so if you have a sweet tooth like myself, you will love these. Let us know in the comments below if you also grew up eating this dessert. Thanks for watching! Bye!